Jeanie Hair Insta-Snap are a newly patented hairstyling technology provided for supplementing natural hair by adding instant length and volume. Installation is an absolute breeze and there's no expert help required. To get started, you'll need a few items to include your Jeanie Insta-Snap hair extensions, a comb, and a hair tie or holding clip. You may style the unit ahead of time if you'd like, ladies, but you want to give the hair a little brush through or comb through prior to styling. Talk about color with absolutely no commitment and quick hairstyling on the go. This is your solution, ladies. I am loving the vibrance in this hair. Beautiful. So now we're getting ready for installation, and with your comb in hand, the very first step to take is to section off the hair in the frontal portion of your crown, just behind the hairline, just like so. Be gentle with this process. Be sure to section off an adequate amount of the hair in the front from each ear to ear, so you have enough to seamlessly cover the wefts. So after you're finished parting off the hair, it should look just like this. You want to secure the excess hair in the posterior portion of your head with a holding clip or a hair tie, just like it's pictured here. Now we're getting ready for the installation. So you want to go ahead and open up the 3 snap clips and position them just behind the hairline. Now I always start with the middle clip first because I use that as my anchor, and then I proceed to securing the other 2 clips on the side, and then you're going to reach back and secure the soft satin hairband to the very nape of your neck. Remove the holding clip, comb your natural hair over the band to disguise it, and blend accordingly. Blend your natural hair with the unit. Now see the wefts? This is what I'm talking about, ladies. You do want to cover that weft. So this is why it's so important for you to have ample amount of hair out in the front so you could seamlessly blend and cover the weft impeccably. Smooth, blend, and style as desired. Enjoy the absolute beauty, the convenience, and the security of your Insta-Snap Jeanie hair extensions. Look at those natural looking results. That's what I'm talking about, ladies. Look at that. No wefts in sight. It's absolutely seamless. Remember, Jeanie hair extensions are sourced from superior quality, tangle-free, virgin Remy human hair that can be washed, color treated, and heat styled without damage. Ladies, with proper care, Jeanie hair extensions will last you years. Visit our website today, www.jeaniehair.com, to pick up your hair extensions. That's www.jeaniehair.com. Thank you.